morning, I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology educational content creator. Now's content for BSc and MSc in Zoology Honours, Physiology Honours, Microbiology Honours and Botany Honours. An exam for CUET PG exam, IIT JAM exam, GATE exam and CSI NET Life Sciences exams. Paper Comparative Anatomy, Unit 1, Endoskeleton of Scoliodon, and topic is the vertebral column of the scoliodon. Introduction of the vertebral column of scoliodon. The vertebral column of adult dogfish consists of about 130 vertebrae arranged one behind the other. They develop around the persistent notochord present as an elastic axis of the vacuolated cells. There are only two regions in the vertebral column, that is trunk region and caudal region. So first I will discuss the trunk vertebra. A typical body or trunk vertebra consists of a ventral, thick, cylindrical centrum, deeply concave at both ends. Such biconcave centra are called amphiousias. The notochord piercing the centra presents a beaded appearance, thread-like and narrow within the centra, but the expanded in the intervertebral spaces. In a transverse section, the centrum shows four wedges of calcified fibrocartilage arranged like a cross, which is called a Maltese crosses. In between the calcified wedges are left uncalcified areas. Such a centrum or vertebra is known as asterospondylus, and the centrum bears dorsally a neural arc enclosing a neural canal. The neural canals of vertebra form together a long tunnel in which lies the spinal cord. A neural arc dorsally forms the medial neural spine. Either side of neural arc is formed by a vertebral neural plate. The foramen for dorsal root of spinal nerve lies at its upper margin. And next, an invertebral plate, that is, fills the spaces between two adjacent neural arches, and the foramen of ventral root of spinal nerve lies at its lower margin. To each ventrolateral border of centrum is attached broad plate-like transverse process. Next, caudal vertebra. A caudal vertebra differs from a trunk vertebra in one important respect. Its transverse process meet and fuse to form below centrum a hemal arc enclosing a hemal canal in which run the caudal artery and vein. Hemal spine and neural spine are long, but the neural arc is short. Trunk vertebra are monospondylus, that is, only one vertebra is found in each myotom, but caudal vertebra are dispondylus, that is, two vertebrae are present in each myotom. Next part is pectoral girdle and fins. Pectoral girdle. Characteristics of the pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle is embedded in the lateral and ventral body wall and just posterior to the gills in the region of the heart which it protects. It is not attached to the vertebral column. It is a U-shaped structure and made of right and left halves united mid-ventrally. Each half is made up of a dorsal rod-like scapular portion and a ventral flattened coracoid portion. A distinct suprascapular cartilage marks the dorsal end, and two pectoral fins are attached to pectoral girdle, one or either ventrolateral side, and pectoral girdle provides attachment to the body myotomes, to muscles working of swallowing and breathing, to pectoral fins and muscles, and it is also supports and protects the heart. Next is pectoral fins. The basal part of each pectoral fin is made by three basal cartilage called propterygium and mesopterygium and metapterygium. Next is pelvic girdle and fins. Pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle is also not attached to the vertebral column. It consists of a simple flattened and transverse cartilaginous rod called ischopubic bud. It lies embedded in the inventral abdominal wall in front of cloaca. It has a small blunt iliac process on either end and projecting above the acetabular facet for articulation of the basal cartilage of pelvic fin. Next, pelvic fins. Skeleton of a pelvic fin includes a single large and curved basal cartilage and the basipterygium, 15 or more slender radius or somactidia and numerous distal fin rays or ceratotrachea. Next is claspers. In the male dogfish, a clasper is attached to the distal end of the basipterygium. Its skeleton includes an elongated tubular axial cartilage grouped dorsally. The anterior opening of group or apopyle communicates with cloaca and a glandular sac or siphon. The posterior opening of group and the hypopyle opens on a sharp pointed, that is style, which is enclosed within a dorsal and ventral sheathing plate. And a small accessory cartilage with a serrated edge lies at the upper end of the style, and skeleton of median fins is similar to that of paired fins. Now the topic has ended. For all video BSc and MSc in Life Sciences and Biotechnology, please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook account Madhurima Datto. Thank you everyone.